Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Now, I'm going to I'm going to visit my dad in a minute. And I thought before I go, let's film a quick video using one of my new purchases from Charlotte Tilbury. Yes, I got another quick and easy look. The first one I got, as you know, my first impression was a bit lukewarm. The first one I got was, I've forgotten the name of it now. I'm going to put it there below. The second one I got was Super Chic. And then I really liked Super Chic because it was a better colour for me. And so I thought, I'm going to try this one because when I had a consultation with Lena on film, she said she couldn't decide between Super Chic or Golden Glow for me. So I thought, got Super Chic last month, I'm going to get Golden Glow this month. So I'm going to do a quick look with it, and that'll be me. Be right back. Sorry, I forgot to say before I start that I use my Tom Ford foundation sticks. These ones. I've forgotten what they're called. Traceless foundation stick. So I use a combination because I bought one that was too light and one that's too dark. So I highlight and I kind of sculpt with them both and mix them together that way. So I use the shade 6 and 7.7. And then what I did is I used that also as a concealer. And then I used my MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NW25 to take off some of the yellow. Then I put a little bit of the new Charlotte Tilbury Cream Bronzer in Tan over the top. So now let's get going with this look. Just interrupting my silent movie for a minute to say that if you have got pigmentation on your cheeks like I have, this is a really good shade because it's just the right shade of peach that will minimize it. Okay, on the lips now and then highlighter, and I'm done. Okay, that's my quick and easy look. Now, obviously, you can put mascara on. You can do your brows, which I haven't done. But I just wanted to do a quick and easy look. Now, probably today, this lipstick is washing me out a bit. Now, normally it wouldn't. If you take this and you just ignore what I'm wearing. But I am going to swap this up with a brighter colour because I'm wearing bright reds and pinks, this lipstick's washing me out. But if you kind of remove that from the equation, so if I just hold that up like that, you can see it wouldn't normally wash me out. It's just because of what I'm wearing today. So I really like this. It's a really lovely summer look. And I'm really hoping that Charlotte brings out some new colours in the eyeshadows. And Emma Sunshine was saying she really wishes she'd bring out a blue or a green or something like that in these refills. Just trying to get this out. Because at the moment they're all quite neutral colours, which are great for the summer, but it would be really nice wouldn't it? If she just brought out a green, or a green would be nice, or a purple, that we can sort of put in our cases. It would be really lovely. So come on, Charlotte, you know you can do it. Okay, thank you for joining me. I will show you a very quick video later on. I bought another Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Hyaluronic Happy Kiss, and it's Happy Peach. I'll do a very short video showing you that one later. Hope you have a great day. Love you all. Bye-bye. Mwah. Sorry about the still pictures on here. It always makes me look super shiny. But anyway, this was a tweak that I did afterwards. Now, the eyeshadows in these quick and easy sets are not the best on hooded lids. They don't seem to last very long. They stay a bit sticky. So I added a little bit of powder eyeshadow from my Huda Beauty set. And I also put on a Huda lipstick. I'll put all the details below, just to kind of brighten it up with the pink and red look that I was wearing. Okay, thank you for watching.